So my today's video, I am back with that, and in this video today I will be telling you the three very basic steps of keeping your facial skin moisturized during the night. And this is basically a night routine which I follow every day, and which includes three simple steps. One is massaging your face, second is cleaning, and then third is moisturizing. So I am sure you might have excited for this particular video. So let's quickly get into the video. But before that, I would really like to tell you that this particular tricks and the tricks and ideas, it is also for boys, yes, and the boys can also go ahead with this particular routine that I will be showing you here. Okay, so yeah, let's quickly get into the video. So let me just quickly head into the process, and let me just see you after oiling my face. Okay. So yes guys, I'm here back again where I have just completed my very first step, where I have just massaged my face, and while doing that I have made sure that I cover almost all face bone areas like my cheekbones, my chin bone, my nose area, my forehead. So I've given a thoroughly massage to my face, and while doing that I have made sure that I also cover my neck area. Okay, so I've just completed that part, and now I will be moving towards my second step, which is cleaning my face. What I will be doing is, here I will be using a nice and a very good face wash, which basically suits to my skin type. So here I would request to go ahead for you to use that kind of product which suits you better for your skin type. So yeah, so let me just see you after washing my face. Okay, so guys, I have just completed my second step, that was to wash my face, and I have just wiped it out with a fresh, clean towel. And I would request you to not to, just rub your face while wiping it, just dab it so that your skin should not get much irritated. It should be really gentle. Whenever you use anything on your face or on your skin, it should be really gentle and soft. So yes guys, let's quickly get started with our third step, which is to moisturizing your face, where I will be showing you what are the products that I use, and it's just very normal and basics. It is a Joy that I used a cream for my skin, and yeah, it is actually a very soft, and it really, it feels really good and smells really nice when you kind of apply on your face. So yeah, what I do is I use this cream for my face only. Okay, so this really helps you to kind of keep your skin moisturized throughout the night. So you'll have to. So guys, I've just completed by applying cream on my face. I did that, and it's done. Now I will be using something on my lips, and for that I have lip balm from Himalaya. Okay, so this also smells really good, and yeah. So yes, and normally what I do is I do not prefer any makeup while I am going to sleep. So, but sometimes what I do is I apply a bit of kajal. If you are a kajal fan, what you can do is you can kind of apply bit of the kajal for your eyes. Otherwise, it's completely fine if you don't want to. Since for me, I always use kajal, so I kind of prefer applying, but not every day. I do it kind of alternate days. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for now. I have just shown you my three skincare routine. guys, the today's video is ended up now, and yeah, this I hope this video was helpful for you, and the tips and tricks that I have told you that may be helpful for you and will be helping you out to kind of make your skin better. And as I have already mentioned that this particular routine that I have told you, it is also for boys, and even boys can go ahead with this particular routine that I have, just mentioned in this video. And if you have find this video very helpful, then do let me know in the below comment section if there is any sort of comment for me. And yeah, do like and share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead and stay safe.